Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be making a list view in Flutter just like this one, where we can display selected item, remove item on swipe, and add new items to the list view on button click. So let's get started. Click on the I button to watch the video in which I have shown how to navigate to a new activity. In that video, I have created page 1 inside lib folder, and we will be opening it on button click. Now inside page 1 dot, we will create a list and a list view. I will name the list as items. For items equals. I will add 10 items here, and the values will be item 1, item 2, and so until item 10. At the start of this activity, I want to shuffle the list before setting it to a list view. So, I will use init state items.shuffle. Now, I will add a body to the scaffold. I will use the widget padding for body. Padding, constant, edge insets.all, I will set padding to 15. Child, column. I will place the list view and an elevated button inside the column widget. Children, widget. First, I will add the list view to this column. ListView.builder. If we add a list view directly to the column, we will get an error since both column and list view expands. So, instead, I will place the list view inside expanded widget. Expanded. Child, ListView.builder. Here, item builder will build child items. So, item builder, context, position. Position represents the index of the child item. You can name it as you wish instead of position. Final item equals items, position. So, I am getting the text of current position from our items list. I will use this item later. I will display items here. Return, text, so I am using text widget for our list view items. And data will be items, position. So here, we have an error saying not in inclusive range. This is because we have not specified the items count for our list view. So inside ListView.builder, item count, items.length. And also, return text, item. Here, we have list items, but we are unable to either delete those items or select those items. In order to delete list items, I will be using dismissible widget instead of text widget. A dismissible allows user to dismiss the item by swiping it. It should contain a key. So, key item. And for child, I will use list style widget. List style, title, text, item. As you can see, we are dismissing the item on swipe. Now, we will add a background color as well, so that whenever we swipe an item, the color should be shown. Inside dismissible, background, container, color, colors.red. Now once the item is dismissed, we will remove that item from our list as well. We need to use onDismissed to do that. OnDismissed, dismiss direction, direction. So to remove a value from the list, we need to use setState. SetState, items.remove, position. Once we have dismissed the item, we will display a snack bar. Scaffold messenger dot of context. Dot show snack bar. Content text item dismissed. Now, we will create a button below the list view, and whenever we click on that button, we will add a new item to the list and the list view. So, elevated button dot icon. Label, constant text, add item. Icon, I will use smart button icon. Icon, icons.smart button. I will also change the button style. Style, elevated button dot style from. First, I will set a background color. Background color, colors.white 38. Next, I will change the color of the button's borders. I will do it inside. Side, constant border side, color, colors.green. Next, I will set border radius. Shape, rounded rectangular border. Border radius dot circular, let us say 15. Now, whenever we click on this button, we need to add a new item to the list. So, I will create a new method inside class myPage1state. I will name it _add item. Void add item. If we are making changes to our data, we need to do it using setState. setState items.add. I will create a string variable text equals item plus. Here I will display the length of the items list. So int number equals items.length plus 1. Text equals item plus number dot to string. Items.add item. Inside elevated button, on pressed, add item. You can see, new item is being added when I am clicking on the add item button. Now, whenever I click on an item, I will display the item text. So inside dismissible widget, I will add on tab. So once I click on the item, I will display the text using a snack bar. So, scaffold manager dot of context. Dot show snack bar. Content, text, item selected.